legal case against this illegal discrimination is going.
Yes, and legal research is always the first step. It's something that Nanaimo City Council doesn't seem to have engaged in much of that prior to passing their resolution on May 5th. So far, there seem to be quite a few serious legal errors with the motion that was passed. The biggest one is whether City Council even has the jurisdiction to cancel events on an ad hoc basis, and there doesn't seem to be anything in the enabling legislation that allows them to do that. There's also a problem of not listening to the other side, not providing notification so that those who would be affected by this decision could make themselves heard. We've got bias against anybody who has a view of marriage or sexuality that's different from City Council, so we have a bias against those people. We've also got a decision based on irrelevant considerations. It's based on rumor and innuendo, and it's not based on facts. And then last but not least, we've got serious charter violations, because the right to freedom of expression is not only the right to speak, but it also includes a right to hear. It's a right of listeners to be informed. And in that sense, the City Council's cancellation of the event violated the charter rights of people who had bought tickets or were going to buy tickets to attend the event.
Well,
so there's a lot of...
It's a very vigorous, very rigorous inspection you've done. I feel like you've done your homework. I mean, what's so incredible about this case, John, is that we've got it all on tape. We have all 20 minutes of their inane, bigoted comments on tape. They taped it themselves, so they can't try and change history and say, well, actually, we didn't mean this or say that. It's all out there. Now, we only have a few moments left, but let me ask you this. I passed on one or two names to you. Do we have a plaintiff? Do we have someone whose rights were trampled? Are you still looking for more plaintiffs? Are you talking to people who will be the nominal litigants in this case?
I am in touch with several people who are potentially interested, but we're still open. I'm still open to hearing, getting some more emails from people that are potentially interested. If this does turn into a court action, which it may or may not, it would depend on, whether the city actually rescinds the motion that they passed. That would be a very good step for them. So depending on what happens, we're still interested in maybe finding some more people that are potentially interested that we're happy to speak with.
John, that's great. We're out of time now. If folks are interested in being part of this